opened your closet and realized that you have nothing to wear, do not rush out to run to the store for a new dress. Watch our new life hacks for clothes and learn to turn old, boring clothes into a stylish and bright wardrobe element. Today, you will learn how to properly tie a bandana, how to decorate a t-shirt with pins, and from what you can make a fashionable sports top. In summer, all thoughts are only about coolness. Here's how to decorate an old t-shirt with a refreshing ice cream drawing. You will need knitting threads, a one-color t-shirt, and 2 cardboard discs. Draw a shallow contour of a waffle cone. Paint the picture in beige. Create a waffle texture with brown paint. Emphasize the cells with white color. Wind the thread around the disc. Cut the edge and tie it with a thread in the center. It turned into a fluffy pom-pom. Do 3 different colored pom-poms. Attach them to the t-shirt on the cone. Done! It turned out fun and very stylish. Despite its bright green color, does the shirt still look like an office shirt? There is a solution. You will need a handful of running eyes. Attach the eyes to the buttons of the shirt with a hot glue gun. Draw the eyelashes along the tissue. Well, quite another thing. Fun and very unusual. And for this life hack, you will need old leggings with an interesting print. Turn them inside out. Fold in half. Mark the place for the cutout with a marker. Cut it out. Try it on. It turned out an original blouse. There's no other blouse like this one for sure. And now one more transformation. Guess what we made this bright sports top from? You will need male boxer shorts. Cut out the hole like this, and you can try it on. Original and simple. You haven't even put on pantyhose yet, and do they already have a bunch of arrows? A regular hairspray will give them strength. Evenly put on the hairspray. Even the thinnest pantyhose will become more resistant to arrows and puffs. One application is enough. Where are so many boring gray things in my wardrobe coming from? But we know how to fix this situation. Make cuts on the collar of the t-shirt. Cut the bottom edge. With the help of a hot glue gun, attach a braid with pink pom-poms around the edge. Look! What a transformation! A dull gray t-shirt turned into a fervent summer blouse. It looks very nice. Here's how to make a bright cap in a watermelon style from an ordinary fabric baseball cap. Color the fabric with green stripes. Add dark shades. Stain the seams in black. Cover the visor with red paint. Draw a green watermelon crust at the edge. Add the black seeds. A summer cap for lovers of watermelon freshness is ready. A regular red shirt is not the type of clothes that will differentiate you from a crowd. Let's decorate it with a lovely romantic print. You need a foam rubber stamp in the form of lips and white paint for the fabric. Extrude a little paint into a separate container and attach the stamp to a clothespin. Moisten the foam rubber lips with paint and proceed to creativity. Starting from the very top, decorate the t-shirt with a funny drawing. Well, now it's quite original. It's a shame that the white sole of the sneaker eventually turns yellow and gets dirty. Ordinary baking soda and toothpaste will help to restore the freshness of your sneakers. As an instrument for cleaning, use an old toothbrush. Pour a small handful of soda and add the paste. Dilute the mixture with water and mix. Using a stick, apply the miracle remedy on the sole. Now take the toothbrush and proceed to cleaning. Yellow spots and visible dirt disappear right before your eyes. As a result, the sole of the sneakers is clean and snow white. Just a wow effect! Don't rush to hide the baking soda on the far shelf. You can use it to eliminate unpleasant smell from sneakers. You'll need a regular tissue napkin. Pour soda on a napkin. Fold the bag, attaching the edges with tape. Put sacks with baking soda into sneakers and store as usual. The soda will absorb any unpleasant smell and you will not be disturbed anymore. Oh, horror! These spots from deodorant on black clothes again. Is there really nothing that can be done about this? There is a way out, and this is a nylon stocking. Take a piece of nylon and wipe the contaminated place. The remains of deodorant are removed even without the use of detergent. Do you love bandanas and scarves, but you tie them in the same way every time? In this video, we will reveal the hidden potential of your favorite accessory. If the bandana is neatly folded and tied around the wrist, a bright bracelet wristband will turn out. Another bandana can decorate the handle of your bag. Wrap your hair bun with a bandana and get a stylish hairstyle. Also, it can be used as a neck scarf, or instead a bandage for sleeping, or even for playing hide and seek. Is the shirt too big for you? This is not going to work. The satin burgundy ribbon comes to the rescue. Draw dotted lines on the shirt. Make small incisions. Insert the ribbon into the needle and lace the t-shirt with it. Finish the lacing with a pretty bow. Simply amazing! The t-shirt sits perfectly and now looks very romantic. Old jeans somehow looking boring? You don't need much time or money to fix it. All you need is bleach, a paper stencil, and a small piece of cardboard. Spread the jeans on the table. To ensure that the bleach is not printed on the back of the trousers, place the cardboard between the layers of fabric. Apply the stencil to the jeans. Using a paintbrush, apply bleach to the fabric. The jeans are so gorgeous! That's great, isn't it? For the next life hack, you'll need an ordinary black t-shirt. Draw an inverted triangle just below the collar. Cut it out. Draw triangles along the edge and also cut them out. Now you need a few metal pins. Connect the cut edges with pins. Daring, but very stylish. Do annoying straps strive to jump out from under the clothes? There is a way. Let's make comfortable holders of unruly straps from underwear with our own hands. You will need a tight fabric tape, a needle and thread, and sewing buttons. Cut off a small piece of tape. Sew the button base to one end and the snapping element to the other. Make 2 such work pieces. Choose your favorite t-shirt. Turn it inside out and sew the holders along the inner seam. It remains to lock the strap with the holder, and you will forever forget about this small inconvenience. Another pair of jeans is too long for an upgrade. Let's decorate the old trousers with a coquettish lace decor. Turn the jeans inside out. Measure and cut off the excess. Cut the corner on the outer edge of the trouser. Fasten a tape with a hot glue gun. Begin to decorate the jeans with an elegant lace. Using a pin and a hot glue gun, carefully attach soft cloth to the jeans. Form wrinkles so that the lace will appear to be voluminous. Decorate the open work fabric with stones and beads. Done! Italian designers will envy such gentle jeans. 2 words, chic and shiny. It's bold and very unusual. How boring and inexpensive this black t-shirt is! Add some personality to it and decorate it with a stylish geometric neckline. You will need ribbons. The coloring depends only on your taste and mood. Lay out the V-shaped cutout with ribbons. Attach the tape with pins. Cut off the excess from the t-shirt. Apply a strip of hot glue at the edge of the cut. Glue the first piece of tape. Do the same with the second. Connect the edges of tapes by means of a hot glue gun. Decorate the cleavage area with white ribbons. The outfit is amazing! A long skirt with buttons, if desired, turns into an elegant dress. You just need to unbutton the top button and raise it higher. You can leave the shirt, or you can take it off and use a regular rope as a belt. In tandem with a straw hat, it looks very festive. Did you like our ideas of stylish and fashionable clothes? Write in your comments what you will wear to go out tomorrow. Jeans with a bleach decor, a light dress from a skirt, or in a t-shirt with passionate kisses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so as not to miss our new videos.